Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2019 Infiniti Q60 all-wheel drive that we have for sale. If you're in the market for a performance luxury coupe, the Q60 is an excellent choice, and I think it's one of your best choices in this segment. It's absolutely beautiful, but built in Japan, great pedigree, lots of sports car DNA baked into this vehicle. So much to tell you about this awesome product. This 2019 only has 11,524 miles. It's in very nice condition. We purchased this directly from Infiniti Corporate out of a closed sale, so only Infiniti stores could buy these vehicles from corporate. So basically the way it works is that this was a corporate vehicle. Most likely it was a corporate demo. One of the perks of being one of the big wigs up at Infiniti Corporate is you get a brand new Infiniti to drive for. They drive them for about a year or two and then they retire them. And a lot of these guys are girls. They're flying around the country. Some of them are like dealer operations managers, so they're flying around the country visiting different Infiniti stores and Nissan stores around the country. So they're traveling a lot, so usually they don't do many miles on their demos. So this one's a 19 of only 11,524 miles. You can see the original MSRP was $51,615. It's a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. Lots of standard equipment, but this one has the essential package, and it is essential because it's got a lot of stuff that I think most people would want in a vehicle like this. And it's always good to look at the fine print. That essential package wasn't cheap. It was $3,200, giving you navigation. You have power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, driver's seat power lumbar and side bolsters, dual occupant memory seats. That's another thing that people ask about on luxury cars, is the memory seats. And it's important for a lot of people, especially if you have multiple drivers on one car, because there's two keys, so you can have one key that will automatically go to your settings, and if your spouse has the other key, when your spouse uses the vehicle, the car can tell it's a different key and it'll automatically adjust the wheel, the seats to their settings. Pretty cool stuff. So we also have a heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote start, and auto dimming outside mirrors with reverse tilt down function. Then we have the Infiniti Radiant illuminated kick plates. As $420 for those. Nice comfortable interior, beautiful color combination, moonroof, nice aluminum trim. You have a drive mode selector that will make changes to the steering, transmission, traction stability control settings. 7-speed automatic transmission is the only transmission available. It has a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back, pull to the left, you push up to upshift, and you pull back to downshift, and it'll give you rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. The Q60 has a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera, of course dual zone auto climate control. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. So you have the drive mode selector here. You can also access it here. You can make changes to the engine and transmission. You can make changes to the steering. Active trace control will brake individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate a little bit better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. As we said, nice power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes, and only 11,524 miles. Bose Performance Series audio system is the top of the line audio system you can get in the Q60. Nice comfortable interior. The Q60 is largely based on the Q50 platform. It's basically the coupe version of our Q50. And they're both built on the advanced front midship platform. It's a sports car based platform. Pretty much the sportiest Infinitis we've seen over the last, close to 20 years have been built on this advanced front midship platform. It's also shared with the Nissan 350Z, 370Z sports cars. The reason why they call it the advanced front midship platform is they take the engine and they place it as far behind the front axle as possible, so it's almost like a mid-engine vehicle, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle, and that helps it rotate on its axis, improves the handling and feel through the corners. This is a rear-wheel drive based platform. Generally, rear-wheel drive is better for performance. That's why most high-performance cars are usually rear-wheel drive. Intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. This does have the optional intelligent all-wheel drive. It's a racing-inspired all-wheel drive system. It's called a Tesla all-wheel drive, and it's been in Infiniti products for a long time, almost 20 years. It's been a really reliable system. It's a racing-inspired system, originally sourced from the early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. It uses the electromagnetic differential to activate the all-wheel drive system. It's called a TESSA. It stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for All Terrain. It'll operate in 100% rear-wheel drive during normal driving conditions, but as the rear wheels start to slip, in a matter of milliseconds, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. Really is an amazing system. The benefits of that, if the all-wheel drive system is constantly working all the time, even when you don't need it, it's going to reduce your gas mileage. It's going to chew through your tires faster, and also by having that rear-wheel drive bias, it gives it more of the rear-wheel drive sports car feel. It also improves your performance. For instance, in the corners, you can get in the power a little bit earlier with that all-wheel drive system, and that all-wheel drive will help pull you through those corners. And it'll greatly improve your wet weather performance. And if you're going to drive in the snow, yeah, you'll do a lot better in the snow with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. I even have a video on our YouTube channel, if you want to check it out, Infiniti Tacoma 1, of me driving a Q50 Red Sport, similar vehicle to this, same all-wheel drive system, through some lowland snow in a parking lot. And you can see how great this thing does with all-wheel drive in the snow. The heart of the Q60 is the VR30 twin-turbo V6, pumping out 300 horsepower, direct injection. You have two small turbos. The smaller turbos versus one big one are able to react quicker, improving the responsiveness of the engine. And one of the best aspects of the Q60 is the way it looks. It's absolutely stunning. I think it's one of the best looking vehicles on the road. I think it's probably one of the best looking vehicles you can buy, under $100,000, under $70,000. It's absolutely gorgeous. You'll get lots of looks and compliments wherever you go. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.